A major storm is slamming the Chicago area, threatening to drop more than a foot of snow on Super Bowl Sunday. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning up until midnight.
It's terrible. I mean, it lets you know that winter's definitely here. I mean, it's been nice, so I guess we're due for some snow, I see.
The blizzard is freezing the plans of millions of Americans in the Midwest trying to make it to Super Bowl parties. Some 1,400 flights were canceled at 2 major airports. And the storm's wrath extends beyond the Windy City. From Nebraska and South Dakota to the Great Lakes, meteorologists are issuing winter storm warnings through Monday.